and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. My name's Lynden. Now this is a one of two-part videos where this is part one, and what this is I want to give you the opportunity to ask me any questions that you like. You can ask these questions in either the comments in the below in the comments of this video, or you can email them to me here at my email address, which is being displayed at the bottom of the screen right now. You can ask me anything you like. So you can ask me about the kit I use for saxophones or for filming. You can ask me about questions about a YouTube channel. You can ask me questions about my philosophies, because I've got a lot of philosophies about teaching and about playing and about gigging and about family life. You can ask me any questions you like. I throw my doors completely and totally open to questions and answers. As I've said, if you don't want to put your question in the comments below, that's absolutely fine. Just email it to me here, and I'm going to get a collection of the best questions and I will answer them in the second half of this video, whenever that is, if I get enough questions and if they're really cool questions. Clearly I reserve the right not to answer questions if I think that's not the right question for my YouTube channel. But really, you can ask me anything you like. So that's what this video is about. By the way, please subscribe. There's 4 out of 10 people watching are not subscribing, and I don't know why. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and it does the channel loads of good. So please do subscribe, and thank you to everybody that's bought me coffee and supported me on PayPal. Right, send me your questions in. I'm really looking forward to getting them, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.